Oh, wait. Shit. I forgot. First, I gotta take my clothes off so you guys can see my... Welcome back to Family and Fit. Today will be my six weeks summer shredding. I'm really excited because when I got on the scale this morning, yesterday morning, and the day before, I lost 5.5 pounds. Excellent. Like, I'm so happy about that. You guys don't even know. Like, I kept getting on the scale. I kept weighing like 130. I would weigh like 130, 131, 132, 133, 134. And like, I wouldn't leave like the 134 and the 133s. So I was like, what the hell is going on? Like, I did not know what I needed to do. So I figured out what I needed to do. And what I needed to do was cut the artificial sugars. So no Diet Mountain Dew, no artificial sugars at all. Strictly drinking water and still eating 1,300 calories. Maybe some days I eat less than other days. But I try to eat the 1,300 because that is my maintain goal for losing 2 pounds a week. So, with me saying that, I'm like super excited. You guys don't even know like how excited I am because I gained weight from a accident that happened a while back, and I haven't been able to lose that weight for nothing. And I was freaking out. I was literally freaking out because I was like, I was 112 pounds after I had my son, and he's a year old. He's a year and 4 months old right now. And I was like, man, I cannot gain that weight back. I did not want to gain that weight back, but it happened. So here we are. So now we're fixing the issue. Anyways, jumping into this thing. Okay, so with me saying that, now I'm going to relax. And this is like my relaxed state. Okay, that's me relaxing. What you all think? Put down in the comments below. Anyways, why I say anyways, this doesn't make sense. I always say anyways after everything and I don't understand it. Okay, so now I'm going to flex. This is me flexing. I don't know a lot about posing. I've never really posed for anything, so I'm not really sure on how to do it. So this should be a challenge, right? Okay, anyway, why I say anyways? God, aggravates me. So I'm going to try to look as best as I can for what I know how to flex or pose or whatnot. With all this hangy over crap. Okay, so that is my not flexing and flexing. So put down in the comments what you guys think. If you guys think I lost some weight or how my progress is going and what you guys think. And thank you for watching so much. I appreciate it so much. You guys don't even know. You guys are like my family. That's what you guys are, my family. You guys can kind of hear my accent. I do have an accent from living in Tennessee for like 6 years. So yeah, I'm a little bit different. I guess it's okay to be different, right? I guess so. All right, I'll catch you later. Oh my God, summer's ready! I'm so excited, y'all.